Hi Brian, my name is Mo from MarkNative. My associate Jessica had reached out and that's when we learned that you'd be the one watching the video. So in this video, I'm going to be going over a couple of things that you could start doing for free to help positively impact your business and bring more customers in. So hopefully by the end of this video, you get something out of it and you can start implementing these strategies yourself totally for free. And all I ask is that you leave us a one-line feedback letting us know if the video is helpful. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So three things I'll be focusing on today are content, backlinks, and citations. We'll be going over each of these as we move along in the video. So as you can see, I have your website pulled up. Really nice looking website. I do like the fact that you have the number up top and pretty big so no one can really miss that. Also all the services that you provide. It flows really nicely. A little bit about yourself, a personal touch, that's definitely good, and you have a call to action button over here. And then and a contact us. So it's really definitely nice to have, Brian. But today what we'll be doing, not just be looking at the front end of the website, but we'll be looking at the back end, what really takes to start ranking on Google and bring more customers in. So as I mentioned, the very first thing we'll be looking at content. I haven't really seen too much content on your website. Google algorithms, what they want minimum of 1,500 keywords. Well, 1,500 words in general. So the point of having at least 1,500 to 2,000 keywords on your website, it allows Google to actually understand what type of keywords you're trying to look for, be found for. Okay, keywords such as carpet cleaning, Tucson, Maryland, carpet cleaner near me, carpet cleaner Maryland, carpet cleaners in Tucson, Maryland. Okay, so those are buyer intent keywords that people are searching for. Okay, so since we're here, I did the same thing. I just wrote carpet cleaning and then your city and state. I do see that you're here already on Google Maps. That's definitely good. And then what we are focusing on here for now, but we will be coming back to the Google Maps in a bit. So your top competitor being Tucson Carpet Cleaning, MD, and as you could see, they have pretty much the keywords within the URL. So I opened up their website. So I'm looking for content. They have a good amount of content, right? So they do understand the importance of it, but they definitely do not have enough. Okay, so that is something where you can take advantage of, and you could implement more content on your site and include more keywords. So let's kind of dive in onto the backend side, as I mentioned. So there's this tool over here called Ahrefs, pretty nifty tool. It allows us to see all the backend data of the website. If I could just have your attention right here, organic keywords. Let's see what keywords they're being found for. Only 10 though. Okay, they're being found for only 10, which is definitely very easy to beat. As you can see, carpet land, Tucson. Let's see, Tucson states, carpet cleaning, okay, carpet cleaning in Maryland. So this volume over here is showing you the amount of searches people are doing per month, and then KDs, it actually stands for keyword difficulty, how easy or difficult it is to actually grab that keyword and rank #1. Okay, so from 0 to 100, this keyword over here is at 0. That means it's very easy to actually rank #1 for this. Okay, and this 80 searches, they're in position 26. That means they're in 26 on Google. So they're not doing all that, yet they're ranking #1, right? So let's see. What's really giving them power is the second thing that I want to talk about. It's backlinks. Okay, backlinks is pretty much links from one side that pointing to your website. It could be via hyperlinks, right? When we read blogs, we see a lot of hyperlinks. You click on that hyperlink, takes you to another site. So that's what really is. So the more backlinks you have, the more trustworthy, the more popular you are in the eyes of Google. But definitely quality over quantity. Like I always say, that you don't want backlinks from companies or website that has no relevancy to your industry, like a carpet cleaning company. So you want links from carpet cleaning websites and blogs, etc. Okay, So they have 278. Let's see how you're doing. You have 19. Okay, so you definitely want to increase that, and you're being found for only one keyword, Brian. Let's see. Right, so www.annies. Okay, so that's definitely not the right keyword to be found for. You want to be found for the buyer intent keywords. Okay, so as I mentioned, content definitely important to increase this number of keywords, and then you want to increase your backlinks to get more power and build overall trust in eyes of Google. And last thing I want to mention are citations. So as I mentioned, we'll be coming back to this map pack. So citations are basically anywhere where your business name, your address and phone numbers in. That could be directories such as Angie's Home Advisor, Yelp, blogs, articles, etc. So the more places you are, the more popular or relevant that you are for that industry, and then the higher you start to rank in Google Map Pack. Okay, so you're definitely missing out by not too much over here, but you could definitely go to number 1 as well. But you're getting about probably 40% of the traffic here, but you're definitely missing out 60 to 70% by not ranking at least on the top 3 here. Okay, so that should be your goal. You could understand there's a good amount of traffic that you're missing out on, so you may want to kind of capitalize on that by focusing on those buyer intent keywords. So I hope this was helpful, Brian. If you do have any question, feel free to reach out to me at 347-210-0943. My email is here as well. I do ask if you just could leave one single line of feedback. That would be great. Thank you.